This video is about how to plant Niyog-Niyogan. Niyog-Niyogan, or Chinese honeysuckle, is a woody climber that can reach a height of 10 meters, and the fruit of Niyog-Niyogan is an effective herbal remedy for deworming or ascaris. The 3 essential requirements in gardening: space for your containers, clean source of water, sunlight. Satisfy these basic requirements to encourage your plants to grow. Also, consider the habits of the plant and which part of the plant is medicinally useful. The best way to plant is to use fully grown, leafless stem cuttings while planting Niyog-Niyogan. Cut mature stems with a diameter of 0.7 or greater, around 13 to 17 cm in length, and 3 or more nodes of the plant. Vertically plant cuttings in individual containers, burying them up to the first node. Water right away after planting and as needed. Then, put cuttings in any region that is shadowed. After 3 to 4 weeks, cuttings with roots can be put in the ground or in a bigger gardening pot. It is discouraged to use pesticides on medicinal plants. To stop the spread of illness, use clean planting materials. Fruits from Niyog-Niyogan will start to develop at least a year after transplantation. Fruits from the plant can also be picked when they are fully grown or have become a golden color.